G'day guys, if you're watching today's video, that's because you're currently experiencing iPhone is unavailable. What is it? How do we resolve it? What do we do next? So if you're experiencing iPhone is unavailable, it is essentially the 2022 version of iPhone is disabled. That's if you've experienced that in the past. Basically what it means is you've tried to enter your password too many times and you've entered the wrong password too many times. Eventually it will delay how many times, or delay the time. You can try again with the password, and once you've tried too many times, it will essentially become unavailable or disabled or essentially locked down. Once you get to that stage, you're unable to retrieve that information. So I absolutely hate the wording that Apple uses for this particular message. So what are we going to have to do from here? With that information already considered lost, all we're able to do from here is wipe the phone. You could try contacting Apple, but I believe that they will not be able to assist with this. They'll say restore from an old backup, restore from iCloud. If you don't have that option, you have already lost your data. So that is not good at all. So with that out of the way, how do we proceed from here? Typically most people would say use iTunes, but I end up using a program called 3utools. And from there, with the phone in recovery mode, we're able to factory reset it, and at least then you can get the phone up and going once more. After it's been factory reset, you will require your Apple ID and matching password to be entered in on the phone. And from there, the phone will be usable once more. If you're lucky, you may have an iCloud backup, and you can download that from the cloud to restore your phone to a bit more of a familiar point in time. So anyway, let's go over to 3utools. So to be able to wipe the phone and make it usable once more, we do need to download a program called 3utools. This is available for Windows. I'm not too sure if it is available for Mac. And the program itself looks like this. And right now it's asking for the phone to be connected. We do need to enter it in or start it up in recovery mode. So once you've downloaded and installed the app, you should see it something like this. So from here, we need to get the iPhone into recovery mode. Now that is different depending on what model of phone you have. So in this particular one, a iPhone 8 Plus, I believe it's a combination of switching it off to begin with, which all your phones will need to start that way. But also, I'll switch it off. We'll go down here. And for this particular instance, I'm going to cheat and use a particular tool that I've got that enables me to get into recovery mode considerably easier on any iPhone device, which is one of these. So I'm going to plug that into here, and then I'm going to plug the lightning cable into that, and that's going to get me into recovery mode. So you may have to do a various button combination to get it in recovery mode for yourself. And right now it's ignoring me. There we go. So with my phone now in recovery mode, I'm going to plug this USB in. And if we go back to the PC, we see we have iPhone is connected. And we want to go flash. So right now, if you don't have the latest ROM available, you'll have to click download, but I've already pre-downloaded this one. And you may be able to try it with retaining user data, but more than likely it'll update your iPhone and it'll still be unavailable. So what we want to do is go quick flash mode. And with quick flash mode, that will delete all your data off there, which is already just stuck in limbo, and then should make the phone usable after. So I'm going to click flash now. And it says a good connection is required. Please use a genuine cable. So I'll go flash. And this can take up to 15 minutes. Now one thing as well is do try multiple cables if you do have issues. So it actually gives you a decent breakdown of what the program's trying to do at any given time. If it doesn't work, let's say it fails and you can get it back to recovery mode here, do try different USB ports on the back of your PC. So right now I'm using a USB 2 port. I've got USB 3s I can try. Try them at the front, and also if you've got different cables, they very well may be worth a shot as well. So if you've got multiple cables around the house, do give them a shot to do the flash as well, as that may help improve your chance of the flash being successful. So this particular iPhone is very unstable with a very dirty, damaged charger port. What we should be seeing is a progress bar working our way across. If we have a look back up at the screen, we should see something like this. So all it is a matter of playing the waiting game for those 2 bars to finish. And from there we should have a reset phone. As I said, if it does fail, probably give your charger port a clean, try different USB cables, different USB ports on your machine. So right now, the phone is finished updating. And if I go lock and wake it up, currently got iPhone lock to owner. You follow the prompts, it does the initial setup and it will ask for the Apple ID. On the computer side of things, 3U Tools is also asking for that Apple ID to be entered to activate it, which you can either activate it on the PC side of things by filling in your details, or you can activate it on the phone itself. So that's entirely up to you. But hopefully from there you can get your iPhone back up and going once more, and back up to being available. Hope this helps you, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.